The preparation is almost the same. Okay, I chill the glass first and I chill the mixing glass second. In the same time, Michele will prepare a single espresso. Single espresso. Why single? Because instead of the second espresso, we add milk. We use milk. Okay? That's the base. Okay, so chill the glass. I have time. This is very nice to see our customer. If you stay here and the customer is in front of you, you know what this does it mean? You care about it. Unfortunately, 99% of the customers, they don't understand that you are working for him. You know? Okay. What? See, okay. Taking out water. And then some sugar, 10 ml, same. How many milliliters of coffee are inside here?
25, 30.
25, okay. So we have to add 25 of milk, a little bit more, 40. We have to speak about the milk now, a little bit. We will explain you tomorrow morning when we begin the cappuccino part. We will see that the best milk for cappuccino is full fat milk. Okay, right? But for the cold recipe, the best milk that you can use is low fat milk, fat-free milk, skimmed milk. Exactly. Why? For two reasons.
Skimmed or low fat?
Skimmed. Less as possible. Yes, it depends on where you are, because maybe, for example, here in Italy we have just three kinds of milk. No fat, medium fat, full fat stuff. But in other countries you can find a little bit more or less 0.5, 0.2. This is 0.1 fat. So, skimmed. This is skimmed, absolutely. 0. For two reasons. The first reason is refreshment. Because if you go in a coffee shop, in a bar, and you order a cold coffee, cappuccino in this case, it's because outside is hot. It's because outside is summer, and so you have to be refreshed by a drink. But you are not, so you have to wake up a little bit, and so you're asking for a coffee, but cold, because I need to refresh myself. Okay? I need to wake up, but I need also to refresh myself. Did you ever try to drink a glass full of cold full fat milk?
Yes, it's raised with it.
It's very good, okay, because you taste the really taste of milk. But after 10 seconds, what's happened? Your mouth is full of fat, and you need to drink water. It's not the full fat milk is not refreshed. You cannot refresh yourself. That's the reason why. Cold recipe, skimmed milk. Hot recipe, full fat milk. Okay, now we can go on. So we can add 40 ml of this skimmed milk and the espresso. You have to stir. before.
No water is?
No water, no water. Just the water coming from ice. That's okay. What's your opinion? Is it a cappuccino?
No.
What is this?
It's
Cafe latte.
Ice cap.
We need what? What is
Uh,
missing? Oh,
Milk.
and that's the second reason why we use skimmed milk. Skimmed milk can be whipped with the mixer. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. I don't know why skimmed milk can be whipped with the mixer and full fat milk cannot. I know why, but I'm not sure. So that's the reason why I don't want to explain you. Okay? Very simple. Mixer, skimmed milk, no ice, no sugar, nothing inside. The only thing that very important is the milk has to be very cold. After that, just 10 seconds. It depends. Just a few seconds in the mixer and the milk became cold. If this part of the mixer is not completely flat, but it's like a sort of wave, the cream of this foam will be not the same like this one. Look, this is
It's a mousse.
it's a mousse, exactly.
We need spoons.
You need a spoon, but it's just milk. But this is just the base for any kind of frappe you like. For example, you can use this kind of foam. You can add chocolate powder before and you create a chocolate foam. You can add cinnamon, for example. You can add anisette. You can add spices, what you like, and then you can create this. Please don't use syrups. We are not ready for this. we want to stay we want to stay as much as possible in the natural product. Okay? Now this foam, sorry, this foam can be poured on top